In order to work with algebraic fractions, we need to be able to work with fractions. Simplify these fractions. So 24 over 28. We're going to split this up into 4 times 6 over 4 times 7. Now, because we have the factors here and we have a common factor in the top and the bottom, we can cancel those factors and we get 6/7. 16 over 22, we're going to split this into 2 times 8 and 2 times 11. We have a common factor which we can cancel, so it simplifies down to 8/11. 32 over 12, I'm going to split that down into 32 could be 4 times 8, and 12 is 4 times 3. I have a common factor which I can cancel, which gives me 8/3. Now that idea of common factors is going to be really, really important when we get onto algebraic fractions. Compute these calculations. 1/4 plus 3/8. We need a common denominator first. The common denominator is going to be 8. The second fraction hasn't changed, but the first fraction, we've multiplied the denominator by 2. So to maintain equality, we multiply the top by 2, which gives us 5/8. We need a common denominator, which is going to be 21. We multiplied the bottom by 3, so we need to multiply the top by 3. We multiplied the bottom by 7, so we need to multiply the top by 7. That gives us 26 out of 21. To subtract, we do the same thing. Put a line there to split these up. We need a common denominator, which is going to be 60. We multiply the bottom by 15, so we multiply the top by 15. We multiplied the bottom by 4, so we multiply the top by 4. 75 take away 28 is going to be 47. To multiply fractions, we multiply the top. 3 times 7 is 21. And we multiply the bottom. 5 times 6 is 30. We can then simplify 21 over 30 because that is 3 times 7 over 3 times 10. Cancelling the common factors gives me 7/10. To divide fractions, 2/5, we divide by 5/3 is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. This gives us 6 over 25. In order to do this division, I'm going to do it in a slightly different way. We can also do a division by finding a common denominator. The common denominator here would be 18. I multiplied the denominator by 2. I multiplied the numerator by 2. 16/18 divided by 5/18. Well, that is the same as saying 16 centimeters divided by 5 centimeters, for example, where 18ths is the unit. So the answer to this is just 16 divided by 5, or 16 over 5. Now this is a particularly useful method to approach some algebraic fractions, and we will see that when we get to them.